Hi there! Naranasan mo na ba yung feeling na you wanted more for yourself and for your family? That you know that you deserve more, that you know that you are meant for more, pero hindi mo alam kung paano ka magsisimula, kung ano yung mga steps na kailangan mong gawin para umasenso sa buhay, para magkaroon ng resources sa buhay. So, you're not alone. I am with you. I felt the same way. Back in 2016, nag-transition ako from maternity leave to going back to work, and it was one of the challenging years for me because my daughter went to daycare. She was just 10 months old, and ako, kailangan kong bumalik sa trabaho so that I can help my husband to make the ends meet. And so fast forward to today, there's so many improvements because now I have my own business. I have more resources para matupad ko yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay, and that's because of my online business. I am here to help you and to guide you and walk you through how I have started my own business. So kung paano ko siya ginawa, we have a workshop. So pinanood ko yung workshop para maintindihan ko kung paano mag-work yung business. Pinanood ko siya ng madaming beses. So, this business has a fully functional system. So, meron nang nakaset up na system para hindi ka na magsimula from scratch. And it's worldwide. We have business partners from all over the world. Sa US, sa Canada, sa Australia, sa Europe, sa New Zealand, sa UK, and we have step-by-step training, and of course, andito ako to guide you. I will be your mentor in this business. So, I would like to invite you to watch our free workshop. So, libre po yung workshop namin. Mag-register lang po kayo sa aking website. And lagay nyo lang yung name and email nyo so that I'll be able to send you all the details. And also, meron din po akong Facebook link. So you can add me as a friend, you can get to know me, and you can ask questions about the business. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!